Let's celebrate summer by doing a 10-minute feel-good music workout. Easy to follow, low impact, without jumping. Join me today. All right, let's go. Let's just warm up with a health bounce, pushing down on the mat with the whole body. Push through the heels, tighten the stomach, engage that core, shoulders are down and relaxed. Use the bar for balance if you need to. It is adjustable. This is the BCAN 40-inch soft land rebounder. Push down. Let's just warm up. Now, if you're able, use one arm on the bar and one arm up to stretch. Let's do that again. All right, good. Just keep that health bounce going. We are working on draining that lymphatic system. Let's just enjoy this feel-good music. Moving our body. Now let's do some heel lifts, left and right. This trampoline will hold up to 400 pounds. That's how sturdy it is. It comes 90% put together, which is great. Took my husband maybe 45 minutes to an hour to put together. Now let's just walk, step and touch. Finishing off with that. Easy steps for a song, very easy. We're not going to get our heart rate up too much today. I am on the 40-inch, it does come in the 48-inch. If you would have space and you want a larger mat, go for the 48-inch. All right, good. A few more. I think we have total of 5 songs today. All right, let's walk. And then from here, we're gonna step out and in. Out, out, in, in. I'm leading with the right. In a minute, we're going to switch to the left. May look backwards to you. And switch. Out, out, in, in. I am pushing down on the mat. I am not coming off the mat though. I'm just pushing down with my whole body. Just like that. Now, we're going to go up and back. Ready? Up and back. You can add little personality if you want. Swing those hips. Again, I'm leading with the right. Let's go. Other leg. Ready? Up and back, up and back. If you want, if you feel comfortable, don't need the bar, do it without the bar and use your arms, swing. Up and back. Good. All right, shake that out a minute. Good, very good. Now we're gonna go to the next song. We're gonna do heels and toes. So heel digs, alternating left and right. Oh, this has a phone holder. Did you see that? Yeah, put your phone there. Do the workout with your phone. It's a nice, comfortable mat. Soft. It's firm, but it's also soft land, so it doesn't hurt your joints. Now let's do toes. Toe taps. We're getting ready for summer. That's why we have a little tropical music. Good. Now I'm going to switch to a heel and a toe. Heel, toe, front to back. Isolating the leg you're standing on so that you're going to soften the knee a little bit. Okay? Heel and toe. And you're staying upright. And we're going to switch to the other side. Heel and toe. Heel and toe. Pushing down with the heel and the leg you're standing on. Push down. Get the lymphatic system going. Good. Let's finish that off and walk. And breathe in. Very good. Oh, it comes with grippy socks also, if you want to wear those. And extra bungees. Extra bungees, yay! Okay, what are we doing next? Now, if you want, we can kick it up a notch. Let's just march. Like I said, if you need the handle, let me turn this down. Turn it down a little bit. March. Let's go. Now, I'm going to do a diagonal press down. And I'm going to switch, diagonal, press down. This is level 1. If you feel like it, you can always go to level 2. Hold onto the bar and do scissors. Make sure that core is tight, engaged. If you're ready. If you're not, you're going to go back to walking or diagonal press down. All right, slow it down a minute and march again. You can check out my playlists. I have lots of videos, over 375, I think now. Lots to choose from beginner, intermediate, advanced, with weights, without weights, resistance bands, all different kind. All right, I think this is the last song. This is our last song. Slow it down just a little bit. And we're gonna go a heel, toe, but it's gonna be corner. Heel to the back, side and back. Again, we don't want to lock the knee. The knee is soft. Slightly bent, in other words. Corner and back. Good. And switch. And switch. Now I'm going to walk and I'm going to do some hamstring curls. Okay, so you're going to kick your butt. Kick and kick. Bounce and kick. You can do doubles. And back to singles. Take the bounce out if you want. Good. Now kick front or kind of to the corner. You got this. We are almost done. Level 1. Level 2 is when you're kicking like this, but we're not going there today. Maybe next time. And just take a deep breath. Step off very carefully. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. And we will see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Bye.